Hi, good evening everyone. And today I'm here to explain you about the topic what is subject, verb and object. You all know about that grammar and what we are talking about. So basically we need subject, what is verb and what is the object, because it helps to form subject verb object helps to form the sentence. So guys, let us start with the subject verb and object now. Okay, so here I'm sharing you the window so that you can learn easily. It helps you to learn easily while that you can also read. If you don't understand my words, if you don't understand my English, then you can also read this and it helps you a lot. So while we start going to learn English, we shall have a question in mind, right? Before going to English coaching center or before going to classroom or before attending the English, why we need English? The English language, right? I'm getting big English, like English in the car. So this is a common question, even though when I'm a kid, when I'm going to school, so I'm having the same question that why we need English in a subject. It's not our language, so what is the use of English? But so it's bye, right? What is the use of communication skills and what is the use of English? The purpose of communication skills training is to improve the ability to inform and practice. Yes, communication skills. If you want to inform anything to anyone, so who doesn't know, means who did not know, or else who don't know, you are languages like Kannada, Hindi, English, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, or some other languages. If the person don't know that, and if he knows only English, then how you will communicate? You want to express something, right? You want to say something to him. So that's the reason English helps you a lot. So for that purpose, communication skills is very important. So there is a way how we have to speak. There is a way how we have to start the conversation. How we have to express our feelings, or how we have to explain him about something. Right? These communication training classes, or as in English classes in your schools, teach practical techniques to enable you to assemble thought and communicate them effectively, whether in a meeting, conference, or at your locality. English is important to grow in life, career and get succeed. And people also gives more respect in your local, especially in rural areas, people start speaking English. Right? Okay guys, you can check it once. In your village, if you start speaking in English, then how your friends or surrounding people react to you? ये तो अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छे बात करते हैं यार, ये तो इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे बात करते हैं, इनको कुछ पता है, right? They will speak like this and they will also start respecting a lot, more to you. English is important to grow in life, career and succeed. And people also gives more respect in your local, especially rural areas, as I said earlier. Okay. So first we have to learn about subject, verb and object. Right? It is very much important. Right? Subject, verb and object. Let us learn what is subject, what is verb and what is object. Yes, because the learning point, I mean, you can ask me the question, what is the point of learning subject, verb and object? Yes, it's very much important because these gives you how to frame the sentence, how you have to speak, and what is subject, what is verb and what is the object. Okay, so once you come to know what is subject, verb and object, then you can clarify yourself the doubts that what is this, what is that, and what is the use of it. Okay, so about which topic we are talking? Yeah, correct. It is subject. We are talking about the subject. Subject is the thing that we are mentioning in the sentence or we are speaking about. It may be the name of a person, an animal, or anything. For example, man, Ajit, Jasmeet, cat, etc. So here I'm giving some examples. I also a subject because I'm speaking about myself. So I is a subject. I am buying a new car. I am buying a new car. So on whom? I'm speaking about myself, right? I'm introducing myself. So here I is the subject. Prem is writing a letter. So what happened? Who is writing a letter? Prem. Prem is writing a letter. So Prem, here Prem is the subject. We are talking about the person Prem. Subject. A boy is eating the apple. So now here what happens? The subject becomes a boy becomes the subject. A boy. Boy is the subject because we are talking about that particular boy. The boy is eating an apple because we don't know name of that person, name of that boy, and who is he, right? So we are talking about the boy. Here boy becomes the subject. The baby is crying. So next example is baby. Baby becomes the subject. The man is walking. We are talking about the man who is walking on the street. So here we are talking about the man. Man becomes a subject. Here the man is a subject. So here I have been giving many examples, around 10 examples for you, so that you can understand clearly what is subject, right? Okay guys, that's all for now about the subject. I will give you the topic about the verb in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.